Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to find the new page in AutoCAD. This is our already creating page. Just launch the AutoCAD file, AutoCAD software. When create the new page directly. When I have the work, then complete the work, then directly I want to find the new page in AutoCAD. So where is it find the new page? Today I will discuss about. This is here. I have completed the work right now, and I want to again I have created the new diagram. So when how to start the new diagram, then new page. So where is it new page? When you find the new page is control N. You want to press the control N. When you click the control N directly, when I go to new page selection. Second thing is directly is not selected. If you want to go to this here new, right now this is right new page template. When you enter this new page, when go to here the where is it a new standard form of sheet available in AutoCAD. Look at this new page has been generated for standard form, is already predefined. So this is D size of layout in AutoCAD. When I remove this, again I want to go to new page and selection from this here. This is find the new page in AutoCAD, and again we will find the shortcut new page in AutoCAD. So how is it find the shortcut in new page in AutoCAD? When I go to click the control N, just click the control N. This is find here new page in AutoCAD. You can select the new template, new background in AutoCAD. So whatever, if you select this here, this is 3D, automatically 3D background has been created in AutoCAD. Look at this 3D position, 3D views, and directly has been created the 3D in AutoCAD. Secondary is I will click the shortcut key control N, and standard form will create the 2D types of background. So this is called 2D background in new page. So today has been complete the session, and thank you.